What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day wherever you are. It's gonna be a short one today. We're gonna be going to Cars and Coffee for the first part of the video. And then Danny, F8 Danny and I are gonna be running the rally route for BMW Invasion, which is actually happening this weekend. So I hope to see you guys there this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A bunch of car things going on. So hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. I will be there. I'll be inside as well as helping out with the show itself. So shout out to all the Invasion guys. Shout out to the team. It's gonna be a great event. I hope to see all of you guys there. There's gonna be tons of people from out of town. It's gonna be a huge week. But with the huge week comes a lot of preparation and gotta get the F80 dialed in, which we did this past weekend. I'll be dropping a couple more videos before Invasion itself, showing you guys how I got the car dialed in, but I think we're pretty much set to go and I can't wait for this week to be over and then the Invasion weekend to start. But anyways, thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you guys who are subscribers. But if any of you guys are new here, my name is Viet. I go by F80 Ho. I invite you to hit that like button, that subscribe button. We got tons of car content planned, not only just for this week, but just for the rest of the year, so you guys don't want to miss. I invite you to hit that subscribe button and enjoy this video. Alright, it's the next day. We are at Cars and Coffee Windermere. It just ended. My boy Chris, my boys, yeah. We're wrapping it up. We got F80 Nick. Everybody's starting their cars up. We got G from Detail Ground. My boy Nick, back on the vlog. My God. New Icon headlight. We got the new CS Slip. Still getting used to that. Still getting used to that. G's F80 with a carbon hood. Wow. Nick's new exhaust setup. Yep. That's loud.
That's loud.
That's loud. Yeah. We decided last minute to come out to Cars and Coffee. It's wrapping up now. Just thought I'd show you guys. We got Chris. We got G. We got Curtis's E90, WTF Motorsports, and then my car's over here. But yeah, we are leaving now. Danny and I are gonna go do a route for BMW Invasion. Sorry I didn't capture much, it was kind of last minute, but we just came, said hi with the boys, and now Danny and I are gonna go back to his place, grab his new daily, and we're gonna go run a route for BMW Invasion today. It's gonna be the route that we're actually gonna be taking for the BMW Invasion rally, which is gonna happen Sunday after the actual event. So yeah, we'll take you guys along for that. Should be a fun cruise. All right, we are back in Danny's daily.
The Hyundai Elantra. Veloster. Fuck.
Yes, man's got the Veloster. Got a super seal on it. Super comfortable daily. I need to hop on this as well. It's also blue like his F80. I'll give you a walk around when we park somewhere, but what are we doing today? What are we doing today?
We are trying out the BMW Invasion route, so we're out here testing it out, making sure that it's good, and it's been pretty fire so far.
Yeah, so far, so chill. The roads are very empty. Super nice day to drive, super overcast, chill day. We just left Cars and Coffee, as you guys know, but we are gonna run this route for them, check it out, report back, because there's gonna be, I think like 60 cars or something, Ken was saying, on this rally. So you know, you got to make sure the route is fire, and you got to make sure there's enough room for people to get photos and videos, of course. But if we see anything eventful, we will report back.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to Danny for driving the daily. Save money. Save money on the gas. All right, we just got to stop number 1, which was a Circle K Shell gas station. Plenty of room, a lot of parking. Not enough for 60 cars, but I'll show you guys right here. Give you guys a little preview. This is gonna be stop number 1. But so far, a lot of good back roads. Not a lot of traffic, especially on like a Sunday morning. There's not gonna be a lot of cars, but
yeah, it's middle of the day Sunday right now, and it's pretty empty.
It's dead, yeah.
Yeah, it's dead.
It's dead out here.
They're nice.
And now we're going to stop number 2. Are we going the right way? This one's only 19 minutes away, as you guys can see. But so far, it's just been a lot of like, this is like the Florida countryside, so it's a lot of like flat plains, a lot of farmhouses and stuff. Yeah. Stuff you don't really associate Florida with, but so far so good.
It's that real Florida.
Yo, we're hitting it. Yo, G-forces.
Twisties. No, this road's fire.
We got twisties in Florida? What?
Nice straights, and they have these good turns.
I'm over here sitting and I like feel the G-forces like
Feel the velocity
in the passenger seat. This is a side of Florida that nobody knows about. It's not all palm trees and beaches. We have some woods too.
I know, how often you see this many turns.
Yeah, this is sick. Shout out to Tipped and Tips. I'll put his Instagram in the corner.
Yeah, the route, really good.
Yeah, route is fire so far. This is, we're on the way to stop number 2.
Yeah, stop number 2. So this is like the deep part of Florida, I guess you could say, where it's just mostly just nature.
Yeah.
Overbrush.
A lot of springs and stuff like that. But yeah, super nice route. You guys see the side of Florida that nobody gets to see.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy seeing so many BMWs going down here.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's gonna be blasted.
Hell yeah. And then after this, there's one more stop, which is the bakery, which you guys have seen in the OBC Yalaha Bakery video that we had. So a lot of those roads are going to be very similar, but this is super sick. As you guys can see, a lot of twisties and open land. Super fire so far. All right, we are wrapping up the routes. As you guys can see, they are all just fire. Like super cool roads, mostly single lane roads, but you guys can see like it's just a cool drive.
Yeah, and the roads are smooth. That's the main thing. Like, the quality of the road, it's smooth as can be.
Oh yeah, you guys can see.
It's like glass.
So this rally should be hella fun. I'm sure you guys are gonna see hella videos and pictures about it on the Invasion channel, as well as all the people attending from out of state. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out. It was super cool to be able to run this route for them. We're gonna head back to Orlando very soon. We're gonna report back to Ken F8 Gold, as well as Kevin Tipped and Tips. What we found, what we saw so far. I think a great route by Kevin. Good drive.
We came, we saw, we conquered.
We drove. Yeah. Look what we have on the phone. Got to report back. Let him know how the route is. Make sure you guys follow him and his YouTube channel as well. All right, we are back in Winter Park. It's actually the church that we filmed Danny's pickup video.
Yes, sir.
We started at, but all right, we are back at Danny's place. Yeah. We just finished the route. We just got off the phone with Kevin and Ken, F8 Gold. Like, everything went as planned. The route, super smooth. So all we can do now is hope and pray for the best. But that's gonna wrap it up for this part of the video. Danny, yes, thanks for driving again.
Absolutely.
I think the rally is gonna be super fun. The event's gonna be super fun. We will see you guys there. And I don't know if we're wrapping up this video, but peace out. Make sure you follow Danny.
Yes, sir.
Give you guys a walk around of Danny's Veloster.
Danny's blue metallic.
What year? What year?
2012.
How much you get it for?
Cheap.
A bargain. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to have a day. Avis blue to match his Avis blue.
Had to.
All right, but that's a wrap.
Right,
later. All right, so we're back in the garage now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about that BMW Invasion rally route that Danny and I ran in this video. Comment down below if you guys are going to Invasion. I hope to see all you guys there. The event itself is going to be super fun. It's probably going to be the biggest BMW event in Florida, and then the rally the next day should be super fun as well. That route is spot on. Shout out to Kevin Tipped and Tips, who actually came up with that route. It was super fun. I think it's gonna be a blast. I can't wait to rally with all the people and of course get some footage for you guys. It's gonna be a blast. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. It's gonna be a BMW filled weekend. It's gonna be hella fun. We still got some more videos planned, so stay tuned for that. You don't wanna miss out. And then we also have a few more videos just to get the car dialed in. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.